David H. 98 F150 today, coming to you with a new tool that I picked up today and also some lessons I learned about how to pick it up and the accessories that we're going to get for it. What I just picked up after seeing some reviews on YouTube and kind of on an impulse, picked up one of the new Dewalt 15 gauge. This one's called the DCN650B. It's a 15 gauge brad nailer, or actually not brad nailer, but finish nailer, and ran me just shy of $300. Well, I ordered it off of Amazon. Description looked okay, and I'll have to tell you that with every single tool that I've had before, they always came with a battery, if not two batteries, and a charger. Well, when I got this in the mail today, it had just the box and just the nailer. I was kind of bummed. I was really surprised that they didn't include what I thought to be standard equipment with it. So going online, I started looking at prices for the 20-volt batteries and the chargers, and prices anywhere from $100 for a battery and a charger, depending upon the voltage that you would get it at, or the watt hours. And heck, even finding some things where I could buy it with a drill and two batteries and a charger for cheaper than just a battery and the charger, which was kind of crazy. Anyways, Home Depot is one of my closer places that carries the accessories for it. And so I did manage to pick up 3 milliwatt or 20 volt, 3 amp hour battery for it and the charger. So started to get to use it. And one of the many things that they don't tell you when you get these nailers is anything about the specific kinds of nails that they're going to be used with. Yes, it does say 15 gauge and you're using an angle, but what they don't really tell to you about are the specific angles that these nails have to have. When I first got the nailer, or I first went to get a set of nails, I got some angled nails that look just fine. Of course, what I didn't pay attention to was the fact that it says 25 degrees when the tool, and actually nothing in the manuals or the instructions, talks about the specific angle of the nails. I actually had to go online to find that, to go and get these ones, which are 34 degrees. Because when I first put the other ones in the nailer, every single time I would press the trigger, it would jam. And I couldn't figure out why. It was only until I started looking at how the nails fit in here that I noticed a difference in the angle of it. And then that started making me take that aha moment and say, okay, I need to figure out what it is supposed to take. So what I was having trouble with was the angle that is supposed to go right here. And this is 34 degrees. This is what the difference in that angle was causing a problem with. You can just see what happened to these nails. They just jammed in there every single time. Here, once again, we see the difference in the two angles for the 15 gauge nails, with the 25 degree on the left and the resulting jammed bent nails that resulted from that, and the 34 degrees on the right, which did nail perfectly when I tested it. And then it'll take nails anywhere from 1.25 inches to 2.5 inches. So now I'm going to go and try and see with this again to see how well it works. No bent nails. This works beautifully. Well, that's my experience with this so far. I will keep you informed as I get to play with it more. I've only shot a few test nails with it, and see where it goes from there. And I'm kind of excited to to give this a good try. I'm going to be building some new cabinetry to make a new workbench, to make some more storage area, and this should be a big help. Okay, I confess, it's a couple days later, new shirt, and sporting my Glazer's camera apparel. Anyways, once again, if you enjoyed the video on the Dewalt nailer, I would appreciate hitting that like button down there. And if you want to get more videos like this as I continue to expand my repertoire, click on the bell and subscribe, and then get notifications on when I post a new video. Anyways, thank you all for joining me. I do appreciate it, and we'll see you around the next time in a new project or a new adventure with my truck. Take care now.